In this lesson, I will show you how to do division of fractions. So first I will solve few questions, then I will give you some practice problem. So this is our question. The question is 2 divided by 4. This line represents division. This is the division sign or division line divided by 4 divided by 8, or I can say 2 over 4 divided by 4 over 8. How to simplify it, how to divide these fractions, right? So we will start is equal to, this is called the left hand side and this is the right hand side, because this fraction is on the right hand side of this division symbol, and this one is on the this fraction is on the left hand side of this symbol. So this is the left hand side, this is the right hand side. Left hand side you have to write down as it is, 2 divided by 4, right? And this division sign you have to convert in multiplication. This is the multiplication symbol. Then this is 4 divided by 8. When you will convert this multiplication symbol, this division symbol into multiplication, then the right hand side fraction will change. Now it will be 8 over 4. This is the rule. How to convert this division into multiplication? Then you have to change the right hand side of the fraction as well. Numerator you have to write down in denominator, this denominator you have to write down on the numerator. Then you have to simplify. You have to simplify according to this sign. See, this sign is from this to this, and from this is the cross multiplication. You can simplify like this. You can simplify numerator or denominator, but you cannot simplify only numerator, that you are simplifying 2 1 time 2 2 4 time. No, you have to follow the rule. So first we will multiply, see, 4 1 time 4, and here is 4 2 times 8. Now see, in the numerator you have 2, you have 2. Do not simplify, do not cut like this, okay? So this one now, 2 1 time 2, you can simplify like this in the numerator and denominator. You can do like this according to this symbol, and then is 2 here, 2 1 time 2 1 time. You have to simplify it. So what is left? 1 1 1 1. So numerator, whatever is left, you have to multiply. 1 multiply by 1, which is 1. In denominator we have 1 1, so 1 1. If you have 1 in the denominator, so you can write down only 1 is the answer if 1 is in the denominator. But if, right, I will show you in the next question about the other part. So one more question, same question. This is the division sign. How you have to solve, how you simplify this question? Left hand side you have to write down as it is, 6 over 12, 6 over 12. Then come to this symbol, this is division, right? So you have to convert this symbol to multiplication. This is the rule. If you will see division in the question, you have to convert this division symbol into multiplication. Then come to the right hand side of the fraction, 6 over 18. It will change the position. Now 18 you have to write down in the numerator, 6 you have to write down in the denominator. This is the rule. So see how you will simplify it. See this line, according to this multiplication you can simplify like this, 6 1 time, 6 1 time. This line, right? 6 2 times 12, 6 3 times 18. Now what is left in the numerator? 1 and 3. So 3 1 time 3. In the denominator we have 2 and 1. So 2 1 time 2. 3 over 2 is your answer. Right? Okay. Now see, the numerator here is greater than denominator. So this is the improper fraction. You can convert this fraction into the whole number. how you will do it? This is the, you have to divide this 3 by 2. So 2, 1 time 2, and the remaining is 1. So how you will write down your answer in whole number? You have to start from this quotient, from here. Then you have to move like this. Do not start from here. So it will be 1 whole number. Then this is the remainder, 1 divided by 2. You have to follow this rule. 1, 1, 2. So 1 whole number, 1 over 2. If I will say convert it back to this fraction, so what you have to do? 2, 1 time 2. You have to multiply denominator with this whole number. 2, 1 time 2. Then you have to add numerator. 2 plus 1, 3, which is equal to 3 by 2. Again, same thing. If the numerator is greater than denominator, then you can write down your answer in the whole number. So one more question. It is 7 over 14. And then is the division sign. Convert this to the multiplication. Change the position. Flip position, 28 over 14. So it will now simplify it. 7 1 times 7, 7 2 times 14. Now 2 1 time 2, and this one 2 1 time 2, 2 4 times 18. Now here is 14 as well. 14 1 time, 14 1 time. So we have 1 in the numerator, 1 in the denominator. You can write down only 1 is your answer. Here I will solve one more question. So 9 over 3, convert this to multiplication. Change the position, it will be 3 over 9. So see, 9 1 time 9, 9 1 time, 3 1 time, 3 1 time. Again the answer is 1 because we have 1 in the numerator, 1 in the denominator. Answer is 1. Here I will show you one more question. 15 over 2, and here you can change its position to 1 time, to 2 times 4, to 1 time 2, to 3 times 6, 3 1 time 3, 3 5 time 15. So we have 5 in the numerator and 1 in the denominator. So you can write down 5 is the answer. If you have a 1 in denominator, so you can write down only numerator. Here I have set some practice problem for you, and these are the answers. But you have to solve these questions first, then you can tell your answer. If still you have any question regarding this division of fraction, you can write down in the comment section. But please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, Saima Academy, and thanks for watching.